What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw the Squid Game guard. Let's begin by drawing a triangle on the top center of our page. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Come down with an angled line towards the bottom left. Go back up to the top, come down and out towards the bottom right, towards the same height. I'm just going to close this off with a straight line. Let's trace the triangle along the inside. So starting back in the center, along the top, come down the sides, and we'll flatten off the bottom. Now we're going to draw a large oval going around that triangle. So we're going to start back at the top, go around the left side, come down. I'm just going to pull this in, but we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's go back up to the top, going around the right side, come all the way around, and then bend that in. From the bottom, I'm just going to curve this in and then down towards the middle. Just underneath the triangle, we're going to draw two curves. One along the top, coming down, and then up, step down, and draw that again. Now I'm going to add two lines coming down the bottom, starting on the left, with one line. Now let's draw the outside of the hood. We're going to start back at the top, start with the left side, going all the way around, come down. I'm just going to bend this in to right about there, go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to leave a gap underneath the head and draw two curves for the side of the body. Let's start on the left, bend this out, then down to the left hip, and then the right hip. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's step up and draw another curve at the top of the belt. Leave a gap in the center. We're going to draw two lines, one on the left and one on the right. Let's add a belt loop on either side with two lines side by side. Now I'm going to add that camera in the center of the body. Let's start with a straight line, going across the top, come all the way down towards the bottom to create a rectangle, close off the bottom. Let's add a circle along the top, add a smaller circle inside. Let's go back to this point in the collar, draw a straight line coming down, continue towards the buckle. Now let's add a set of straps going up across the top. From the top corner, bend this out and then up underneath the head. Step out and draw that again. From the bottom corners of the camera, bend this out and then down towards the top corner of the belt. Step up and then draw that again. Now on the right side, I'm going to add a small pocket. Starting from the strap, we're going to go up, across, and then down. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. From the heel, let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to come down and then up towards the outside. Now let's curve the top of the foot, going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and I'm just going to curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. And then we'll go back to the hips and draw the outside leg, bend this out, and then down on top of the feet. Let's move back down and add a thick sole across the bottom of the shoes. We're going to step up, just follow that same curve coming across. Along the side of the leg, let's add a pocket. Coming in, come down, and then back out. Now let's line this up on the right. Coming in, angle this down, and then out. Now I'm going to draw the left arm holding the pistol. So let's start underneath the head, bend the arm coming down and out towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw the thumb going up, bend this down, round up the thumb, and then bend that back up. On the outside of the thumb, we're going to draw an oval, going all the way around, and then back in. Now halfway along the bottom, draw the second finger, tucking that up underneath the thumb, and do that one more time. Now I'm going to simplify the shape of the gun on top of the hand. So let's start from this top finger, going straight out, go up, come straight in on top of the thumb, and then come straight down. Now on the outside of that trigger finger, I'm just going to curve this around and then in. Let's layer the handle underneath, starting from the thumb, come down, across, and then back up. Now we're going to go back to the wrist, curve the palm, coming in and then out in behind the handle, and then from the bottom of the hand, then the arm coming in towards the side of the body. Let's line up the bottom of the arm over on the right side, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now I'm going to add 3 fingers clenched in towards a fist. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, draw the first finger going around that bracket, step down, draw the second finger, and then the third finger, just going to bend this up and then in underneath the head. Let's separate the cuff with a curve. Now I'm going to add 2 pouches on the hips. Let's start on the left side, going out, down, and then in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. And we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw a guard from Squid Game. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.